Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by confirming there's no larger outage and then move immediately to power cycling. You need to unplug the router's power cord, wait a full 60 seconds to clear capacitors, and plug it back in. Watch the LEDs closely. A red flashing light during boot indicates a fault or provisioning issue. If you have a backup modem or splitter, make sure it's disconnected so you isolate the router. Once done, let the device complete its startup sequence for at least 2 minutes. Now inspect every cable and connection. A loose or corroded coax F connector often causes a red blink. Remove any inline splitters and connect the incoming coax directly to the router to eliminate signal loss. Next, log into the router's admin page using the printed default IP or the Spectrum app and verify provisioning and firmware status. A provisioning failure can show as a red flash. If firmware update is available, initiate it. Make sure modem. If provisioning or hardware faults persist, perform a factory reset by holding the reset button 10 to 15 seconds. This clears custom settings and forces reprovisioning. After reset, give the device several minutes to re-establish connection, monitor the LED behavior, and note any error codes or patterns. If the red flash continues, contact Spectrum support and provide the serial number, MAC, and your observations so they can push a remote reboot or arrange an equipment swap. One troubleshooting tip: test a known good router or modem to rule out line issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.